Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of what I prepped today. And if my voice sounds suspiciously like it did yesterday, because I just did my other video 5 seconds ago. Sometimes I have to do that because I'm so busy I'll make more than one video in a day, or I will intend to do everything in a day, like in one video, and then I just talk too much and I never get it done. So here's the video of my really happy Walmart prep. So I don't eat sugar at all, and I don't eat honey anymore. I'm trying to really cut back on carbs, and that's really helped a lot. I mean, I'm not losing weight, but oh well. So I have switched to erythritol, which I've showed you many, many times, and I always look through my coupons when they come in the mail, and I don't ever get coupons as much as I used to. We get them at one place and not at the other place. It's just maddening, especially when it's a good coupon. So in last week's coupons, not in the Sunday paper, just the ones they send in the mail, there was a coupon that said, there were two, buy one, get one free on any Splenda Naturals stevia or stevia, however you say it, item, and then another coupon for $4 off any two Splenda stevia items. So I went to Walmart, and I have a picture of it, but I can't really pull it out of my phone and edit it into here because I don't know how to do that. But normally, you know, when you buy multiples, you would expect that you save more. And what I mean is, that box of tea is $3, and you see a triple pack of tea, and you're like, oh, I'm going to get the triple pack. I'm just getting the triple pack. But that triple pack is $10. Why would you get the triple pack when one box is $3? So if you buy 3 separate boxes, it's $9. Yet if they package them together, they're charging you $1 more. Why do they do that? Amazon does that a lot. I've seen that happen at Sam's Club, and I've seen it happen at Walmart, and this is the perfect example of it happening at Walmart. They had this size, 80 packets, and I'm thinking, you know what, since I'm going to get this, I'm going to get the bigger pack. Well, it had 140 packets of this stevia in it, and it was $8 or $9, something like that. But I just read the label, and then I did the math in the store, and the label was correct. The small box was 60 cents an ounce. The large box was 50% more, 90 cents an ounce. It made absolutely no sense to get a big box. It had 140 packets. You would pay less for 2 of these, 160 packets, than you would for one box of 140 packets. That's really maddening. You've got to look at your prices per ounces, and if they seem unbelievable, you've got to do the math on your own calculator. But that's what I did. So I did that, and I had a coupon, like I said, buy one, get one free. Then I had a coupon, buy two, get $4 off. The item was only $3.62. It took the whole $4 off. So I did good there. So I had 2 more coupons of the same ones, and I went to a local Walmart, and I'm like, I hope they're the same price, because that's another thing I've run into. Different prices at different locations of the same store. Maddening. Maddening. That happened to me just the other day at Sam's Club again. Like, one item was $14 online and $10 at one store and $8 at another store. It's crazy. It really is. But anyway, so I know. Stick to the subject, Amanda. So with this video, I'm hoping to make 2 of my fellow YouTubers smile and wave their little magic wand and call me blessed, because I'm learning, I guess. I mean, I've used coupons before, but the stock up thing with the coupons, I just felt like, oh, Penelope and the other Amanda are going to be proud of me. So I've linked Penelope, the Squirrely Prepper, before. She does a lot more couponing items, and she gets amazing hauls and shows you how to do them. And Amanda, the Pantry Prepper, she does it as well. And those two are amazing. Like, if you lived by them, you would never run out of food because they'd give you all their extra stuff. Well, hopefully. Anyway, I know, stop talking. So then I went back to the store to get the same deal, and they didn't have it. And my son was with me, and somebody was stocking the shelves, and I asked the guy who was stocking the shelves, hey, do you have any more of this size here? He's like, I don't know, let me check my cart. So here's me, I know what to do. I start looking above. Look on that top shelf. There are unpacked boxes of items up there that they have overstock that didn't fit on the shelf, or they just didn't feel like opening, and they just put them on top. Well, I know because of this coupon, somebody came in and bought them all. So I'm still looking up there, and darn if there weren't 2 cardboard boxes full of them, 2 cases. So the guy said, I'm going to have to get a ladder. I'll go get him down. I'm like, hold on. And I asked my son, he's kind of tall. He's not really tall, but he's tall enough to reach that top shelf. He's like, yeah, here, I got him. He pulls him down. And the guy's like, well, thanks. That's what I need is some height. And then I said, you know what? I'm so happy. I'm just going to put these on the shelf for you too. He's like, wow, cool, thanks. So I stocked the shelf at Walmart. But anyway, I ended up getting 1 more buy one, get one free, 1 more $4 off too. And remember, they're only $3.62. So that was even better. And then while I was stocking that shelf for him, I look in the back and somebody had left a buy one, get one free coupon there. Can you believe that? So I got another one that was buy one, get one free. Now here's what my second receipt looks like. So hey, Penelope and Amanda, let me know what you think. Right there. Splenda, 362 twice, then off, on, off, on, and then $4 off. So it was $10.48 for 6 boxes of this. So for all of them, it was what, 17 for 10 boxes maybe? Yeah, pretty much 17 for 10 boxes. And that's it. But like on other receipts, they show what you saved in coupons and things like that. But on the Walmart one, they do not. They actually, it doesn't matter when you scan the coupon, they put it under the item that you used it on. So that's it. I'm really happy. Now let me tell you why. I normally don't get items that are already in packets. See, these are packets, and it's like, well, why couldn't I just put them in a straw or put them in a tube and do that myself? Well, what I do, sorry, I had a phone call coming in. What I do is, I could do that, but this is, so $1.70 for 80 packs. I mean, that, when it boiled down to what I was paying per ounce, and I figured it out, it was like 25 cents an ounce. That's pretty much what I pay for my erythritol as well. So the packets aren't just flimsy paper, and so I can put them in my purse with my tea bags. I don't always like to get coffee at the store. They never have herbal tea, at the restaurant when I go to a restaurant. I'm always getting water with lemon because, they don't have anything that I can drink. So I'm also stuck if I want a sweetener. They've got the pink pack, the blue pack, the yellow pack, all of which I don't use. The saccharin and the cancer in rats and all the nastiness in them, I guess. And then then of course not the regular sugar either, but nobody that I've been to has the stevia. And these ones are actually erythritol with stevia. So that's what I use, is erythritol. So this was a really good deal, and I'm really happy I have it. Now, you know that I don't like cardboard at all in my storage, so I am going to take these out of the cardboard and put them in Mylar. And I don't feel like I need an oxygen absorber because this is not something I plan to store for years. I plan to I'm going to leave 1 box out, put them in a mason jar, and just leave them up in the cupboard, and I'll replenish my purse supply as it's needed. And then I'll just grab the other ones, as that runs low, and just open it up. And I can actually reuse those Mylar bags after I do that, simply because of they won't have come into contact with any sort of food. And if I would use an oxygen absorber in there, oh my gosh, I'm trying to talk too fast. I'm sorry. If I would use an oxygen absorber in there, of course I would not be able to reuse that. So the last thing I did was I showed you the other day some things that I recommend you get and keep on hand. And these are some of them. And these are the Walmart brand. This was the dye-free diphenhydramine. And at first I thought it was a higher price, and it's the same price as the type without dye in it, unless you get the liquid gels. This mucus relief is guaifenesin. It relieves chest congestion, and it thins and loosens mucus. This is something really good to have to keep the congestion loose. You don't want to be so congested that you can't breathe. This will help you be able to breathe. This is at Walmart on the bottom shelf underneath the allergy medications, and it's 88 cents for 15 tablets. Tastes terrible. They also have a version of this, if it's not the exact same one, at the dollar store. So obviously 12 cents more, not that big a difference, and I'm not sure how many tablets in it, but it's probably around the same. And then this is also an 88-cent item, all-day allergy relief. It's an antihistamine in case you can't take the diphenhydramine, which is also the antihistamine. And also the cetrizine does not cause drowsiness like the diphenhydramine does. How do you know it does? Diphenhydramine is Benadryl. No, that's wrong. Benadryl is diphenhydramine, and if you look up the NyQuil Z medication, the sleep medication, well, it's diphenhydramine, just a liquid form. So that's it. That's what I prepped today. Sorry about the tongue twisters, and let me know, what did you prep today? Be blessed, everyone.